I wanted to make my husband an authentic Jamaican meal, but I'm vegan. So first I got some field peas and I put them in a crock pot with some coconut milk, some canned coconut milk, some salt, some nutmeg, some yellow onion, and some allspice. And while it was cooking, I got some fresh plantain. I sliced it and I fried it in a little oil. And then I used soy curls to substitute for chicken. I fried them with some yellow and red pepper, some onions, some seasoned salt, some poultry seasoning, and some vegan chicken seasoning. I fried it until it was crispy. I added some homemade barbecue sauce. And to top it off, I added a small salad. What do you think?